Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and let's do the price action analysis on Tesla, and let's identify how this week unfolded itself and the price candle that we got today. It's a good green buy candle, and Tesla has still outperformed better than rest of the market. You can see closer to the end of the day of the trading session, you can see SPY a little bit at the top selling off. I'll talk about this as well in separate videos that I'll be doing on QQ and SPY. You can see QQ a little bit selling off as well, even though structure hasn't changed on these, but Tesla fared out really well compared to the rest of the market. You can see on the right hand side of my screen, all those other tech stocks have been still continuing to sell off, and Nvidia also went up, but then a little bit sold off. I'll talk about this as well in other videos, but Tesla still stayed its strength to the upside. So Tesla all in all is still looking great. Now, before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So guys, now you are seeing today most of these analysts are coming out with some price target upgrades, not necessarily as high as where the price is, but you can see price target raised by UBS from 147 to 197. Now, before going through this list, I want to tell you that, guys, they come with these price target upgrades after the price has made the move, and they're still not coming at that high area. Why do you even listen to these analysts when the price has made the move? Then they come and tell you, okay, this is where it's gonna go. But hey, price has already made that move. It's already at that price or higher than that. So, and you know that on this channel, we talk about all the price action before it even happens. All these times when I was talking about that, if I take you to the weekly interval, I was talking about, guys, look at it, such a beautiful inverted head and shoulder pattern, and price is gonna go. All analysts were downgrading Tesla back then, right? And I was confidently telling you that as long as the structure holds, it's a very beautiful structure, and once this takes us out of this lower moving channel, Tesla is gonna just explode to the upside. And look at this massive move that we got to the upside. All right, so guys, subscribe and hit the like if you want to be always notified and updated on the latest moves and get ahead of everyone else. Don't play into the catch up and the FOMO. Get prepared beforehand before these massive moves. All right, now, so anyways, yeah, guys, they're just all talking now. Oh yeah, Tesla is price target upgrade and all of that. I'm not gonna go through that cringy list there, but so anyways, now talking about a couple of things. Well, so also want to show you my day trading bot, and guys, I promise I'm just gonna jump into price action real quick. I know I'm talking about other stuff as well here, which is again related to Tesla and the video and important stuff, but today was also a great profitable day for us on Tesla bot. You can see, guys, on the left hand side the table, really looking profitable and great on Tesla, right? If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, I have 2 indicators and 2 bots. Now, going back to the daily interval here, so Tesla, as I have been saying, guys, structure overall though is still bullish on Tesla. And today I provided you a target of if the rebound comes until where that rebound can go. We got that, and I'll talk about that in just a second, but let's talk about the daily interval first. So yes, our structure is still bullish, and let the 20 days moving average catch up, right? And then we'll see if this turns into a distribution phase or whatnot. But until then, yes, this was a pullback. Quite a deeper pullback yesterday, but today you can see we got bought back up, and for that, because overall structure was still bullish, we have to see the patterns in the lower time frame, how things are looking like. So let's go over there and let's talk about what are the next possibilities I expect from Tesla from here on. So on the hourly interval, so I talked about yesterday that if a rebound comes on Tesla and if we get above this level of 240 and 58 cents, you can expect a rebound until the area of 252. We got that today, right? That was the intraday play. We came precisely right there around $252 area. Now what from here? Can we continue higher? So guys, at this time, this is how to trade it. If we get above 252 and 85 cents right away, let's say on Monday now, this is still a continuation upside play, and the next target could be this previous recent all-time highs, not all-time highs, but recent high. or if it loses 246 and 68 cents, if you're a good short scalper, sure, you can try a scalp short, but watch 240 very carefully. This is where if bulls holds a pivot in this area, that will still constitute just an intraday higher pivot. And because it has this strong candle that has come, and overall structure, we are still technically bullish, right? That's why. And if that pivot comes, that could be intraday rebound and upside play. This is the level around 240. You have to see the price action on this. If we lose 240, then I would say just wait for 200 hours moving average to come. You can still trade intraday both long or short based off of these levels and the price action once this breaks and next breaks, or if holds, right? But since overall structure is bullish, my sentiment would be that, I would be more focusing on the bullish plays because overall structure is still bullish. And then, yeah, so these are the levels you're watching. Breakout above 252 and 62 cents, just a continuation to the upside. If we crack below 246 and 56 cents, first leg down can come to 240, but this is the zone you're watching the price action if this pivot holds. And if it holds, great, go back again to the upside. If we lose 240, then we are watching 200 hours moving average finally. And then we'll see if this forms with 200 hours moving average, this double bottom at 234. But that would be that. And guys, don't forget to check out my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, because a video will be coming out here telling you how my dividend investing portfolio is looking like, because I have a lot of Tesla ETF, stock in there, right? So I'll provide you update how my portfolio overall is looking like. So definitely subscribe and like here as well on this channel. Links of this channel is in the description below of this video. So guys, yes, Tesla overall, in my opinion, is still technically bullish. I gave you the levels. Today's play worked out just as how we planned. Breakout above 240 gave us the play to 252. That was the intraday play today. And my bot also gave a profitable position. I showed you that as well. So yeah, all in all, yeah, guys, structure, again, I gave you the structure. Overall structure is still bullish unless those levels starts to lose, but I still think for a day or more, if from here we have to reverse, we have to go through the consolidation and then some weakness down there, right? But right now, yeah, that was a pullback. Today we are seeing a rebound, and then let's see how things continues as for the levels I provided you, and that will shape that structure. For example, if Tesla gets above 252 or 66 cents, yes, that's a continuation. But let's say if Strong's really close very strong up here, that just shows us that, guys, it can just then continue higher as well. So, but right now I'm just being a little bit careful because this is quite a deeper sell-off candle, right? So trade it intraday right now, and then if position turns into swing, then you can carry partial swing based off of how much strength the price action is holding through those levels, right? And or weakness, which is, I gave you the areas to watch for the weakness as well. But since structure is bullish, I'm going to stick with the bullish sentiment on Tesla. Let's go to the weekly interval, and you can see the week closed nicely as well here on Tesla. We closed above 200 weeks moving average. We retested that and got bought back up today, right? And so yeah, technique, and not just 200 weeks moving average, guys. This was such a beautiful inverted head and shoulder pattern here. And yeah, as I said, couple of weeks, this week would have its influence, and you can see that influence is already allowing Tesla to be bought back up. Now, am I saying that Tesla is going to go to $300 right away? Not right away right now, because the first target is met, which was what, 265. This is the pivot area I was calling out, right? 265, we got that. Now I would only say 300 is possibility if we close strong closer to this top supply zone. All right, then only $300 I would say is a possibility. We'll have to see now, guys, day by day price action, right, intraday. So, and I provided you levels for that. But structure, though, is still bullish. Technicals are still bullish on Tesla. I'm not seeing any structure to the downside right now, overall structure. So if that happens, we'll talk about that once those levels breaks. But you already have those areas to watch that I provided you. Yeah, so that's that, guys, for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Look at it, my indicator, one of the functionality of my indicator, this dashboard marks so accurate, average range and today's range. Look at it, so accurate. You can use these to strategize, like, sometimes it helps in taking reversals as well, a little bit of scalps as well. And it helps you to know, okay, this is the time to take all the profits because range is completing, right? Get access to my tools, guys. All right. See you in the next videos. Bye.